So this is my tutorial on how to make a 3D crocheted butterfly. First, you need to make a slip stitch, then chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then double crochet in the first chain. So this is how it looks like after. You have there a hole where you can insert your next stitches. It can also be your foundation stitch. Then you have to chain 2 and insert your hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, another yarn over and pull through 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Then you have to make 2 chains to make a space, and then double crochet stitches twice. You have to repeat this process 7 times to cover the foundation stitch around. So you've got 8 of these stitches all in all. Okay, so you have to count them to make sure, because it is important for the upper and lower wings. So this is how it looks like. Then cut. Insert another colored yarn. Here I use orange yarn. Insert the yarn in the first double crochet stitch. Then chain 2. Insert your yarn in the space chain 6 times to begin with the wings. Then you have to slip stitch in the next double crochet stitch. You have to repeat the same process till you reach the last double crochet stitch to cover the around stitches. So this is how it looks like when you finish with the second layer. Then you have to fold like this into two parts. Then you have to chain 8 times. Then after chaining the 8, then you have to roll over the 8 chains in the middle till you reach the bottom of the butterfly. Then tie at the bottom too. Your 3D butterfly is nearly to be finished. At this moment, cut the yarn. Then cut a portion of orange yarn, then tie it at the head part. So this is how it looks like, your finished product, 3D crocheted butterflies. Hope you like my video and tutorial. Don't forget to cut all the excess yarn to make it tidy to look at.